video for you guys, showing you guys how to change the oil. I used Mobile One Advanced W0W20 oil and the Mobile One oil filter. I'll link everything in the bottom of the video, in the video description. Basically, it's just 17 millimeter bolt that goes into the oil pan. You basically just, it's just like any other oil change for any car. Okay, the oil filter is right here on the side. That's where the oil filter is, and this is where the drain plug is. Just take out this 17 millimeter bolt with a washer. The washer comes off. Just replace the crush washer. I'll put a link in the description of the bottom of the video for the crush washers. It's just like any other Acura or TL or whatever. You just unscrew the oil filter and then screw the new oil filter back in. That's what I did here. What you could do is, you could turn the wheel of the vehicle to the passenger side, right? So you can get access to the oil filter from the side here. And it's right here. Once you do that, and what I did was I put like a rag here, so when the oil drained out, it drained out into the oil pan. So this is the oil change here. So I screwed in that filter. All you gotta do is screw it in. It just screws right in by hand. Okay, just wanted to make a quick video just to run down. This is on 2017 and up Acura Mdx's and probably other models, not too sure. So now that the oil is finished draining out, I have the cap off already. Okay. Okay, cap's off, but I leave it on loose on the top so nothing gets in it. So now I'm gonna put this bolt back in on the bottom with the new crush washer. This is the old one that I took off of it. If you have to, just screw it off by hand and the crush washer will come off. So now, well, you can wear gloves and stuff like that. It's good to wear gloves and stuff like that because this stuff, it's not good for you. So right now I'm just putting the bolt back in. Wear gloves. Safety first. Okay. Tighten this down. This tightens to about 33 foot-pounds of torque. Okay. So I'm going to tighten that down and I'll catch back the video for you guys. It's a 17 millimeter. Alright, so what I did was tighten the bolt down here. Snugged it tight. This is about 33 foot-pounds of torque. If you want, you can use a torque wrench. Torque it down to 33 foot-pounds of torque. And call it a day. So that's it. This is in with the new crush washer. This is the oil. Gonna wipe everything down, pull this oil out, slide that out. Now I'm going up top. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so what you do now is that you unscrew the cap, the oil fill up the oil. Pour the oil in here. I got this big funnel that I'm going to be using. Let's put the funnel in. And just pour. So I'm not going to bore you guys with pouring the oil. I'll catch back the video once I finish pouring the oil. Alright, so I finished pouring in all the oil. All the oil is in. The whole 5 quarts. Should be good to go. So now I'll take this funnel out. So put it to the side. And you just take the cap. Put the cap back on. Tighten it down, snug. Okay. And that's it. Let me see what this cover looks like. Let's see what it looks like under the cover. Look at this. It looks just like the other ones. All the older models. The intake manifold, everything is still the same. Oh man, the transmission is different, but the engine still looks the same. Hey, if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? All right. Yeah, I'll bore you guys with that. All right, this is done. So now I'm gonna reset the oil light. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and then get back the video for you guys. All right, so it's the key right here. I'm gonna press the start button, start up the car, right? All right, it says the hood is open. Give me a second. All right, so started the car. All right, so now you go to here, this knob here, and then you scroll to oil life, which it shows right here, oil life. So I'm going to be resetting the oil light, from an hotel scanner. I just wanted to try something different. This is definitely a different way to do it. Just make sure that's on the dash. Just press the start button 2 times, just so the car has power, so it can establish a connection with the vehicle. Okay, now it says 53%. Replace engine oil. Replace engine oil and filter. Item B, okay. Okay, reset is done. Now the oil light's at 100%. That was it. Now, see? Oil light's 100%. Reset the oil light. Alright, I wanted to show you guys how to do that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.